Hey, what's up, YouTube? So this is an update on all my cars that I'm working on and all the stuff that I'm gonna be working on in the future. I kind of wanted to give you guys a little update of everything that I have. So as far as the MR2, the throttle body is on. It does sound a lot better. I have to just create a bracket to use because the K24 throttle bodies, they come on different type of manifold to where the manifold actually has the bracket for the throttle cable instead of the throttle cable bracket being on the throttle body. So that's one reason why it's like the last thing we have to do. So that's basically it for this car. He's probably going to do an S2000 cluster, but that might be later, so I'll get on the next to that. So next we got K20A3 Z3 build. I just picked up another manifold that I traded, and I got some parts ordered. I ordered a new gasket, head gasket, valve cover gasket, and a timing chain, and that's basically it for this. So I'm just waiting for some parts on this. The MR2 is about to get started. JFab, we were messing with the mounts yesterday, so he's actually fabricating those mounts. So the MR2 build should start maybe next week or so, as far as like me doing the engine fully done up, rebuilding it all up, K24, K20, and yeah, that's basically it. So I mean, coming soon as well. Like I said, that might be a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks for the A3 build. The Integra, I know you guys are waiting for part 19, so I'm gonna be releasing that soon, but it's just a lot of information and stuff. I'm still kind of got some bugs fighting on this car. Like, I got a new power steering pump, replaced it, still no good. So there's just little bugs and stuff that I gotta mess with this car, but like I said, part 19 is coming soon, so just stay tuned for that. And as far as the RSX, I am most likely going to be taking it apart tomorrow. So I was kind of waiting for some stuff to sell, but whatever, I'll just take it all apart, and I don't know if I'll probably get rid of that shell, and that way I can clean it up around here, because pretty sure the city's going to be getting on me very soon for having all these cars. They usually always do around this time. SI, just, if you guys need any parts, just let me know. I got little stuff like alternator starters, pulley kits, shift linkage, some motor mounts and stuff. So I mean, anything you guys see on video, just hit me up on my email, which is honda.mike1988@gmail.com. I'll leave that in the link. I'm going to be starting my Instagram soon too this week, so stay tuned for that. That'll be on my next video. But yeah, so that'll be it for the update today. I got some, like I said, I got some good content coming in for tomorrow. Hopefully I can get this throttle bracket made for tomorrow. I mean, I smashed my finger trying to do the subframe. I was helping do the subframe, and got my hand stuck in there, slammed on there, so my thumb kind of got sprained. So gonna have to wait on that a little bit for it to heal up. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Oh yeah, the hatchback. So like I said, that one's gonna take a while. I don't know if I'm gonna do that one first instead. I'm thinking about dropping this motor in into the hatchback, since the K24 from the SI, from the video of the hatchback, that car, I actually just sold the whole car because I don't know, this didn't feel right. Like, the motor, I was gonna need more work than me just actually getting a whole nother engine. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of content coming towards you. Got some new builds that people are hitting me up on as well right now. So yeah, like I said, the part 2 is coming for this car, and I got the reveal of the car we're going to be putting it in. We're going to be doing a test drive on the MR2, and then I got part 19 coming on. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. If you haven't subscribed, watch. If you haven't, subscribe, click the notification, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you guys next time when I got some new content coming in. See you later.